the introduction or the background of the study. Parent separation is one of the most concerning issues in society. Nowadays, it is easy for a man and a woman to build a family together and decided to get married, in which a man and a woman must define marriage as a lifelong commitment. But unfortunately, there are some married couple often ended in party ways, in which the most affected are the children of getting separated. There are several studies investigating the impact of parental separation on children's well-being, such as the study of Aslamarinda and Nuriono, wherein adolescents from broken families frequently engage in antisocial conduct and perform poorly in school, and that broken families are reflective of poor family dynamics. Jaime and Lerner published an article that the expected shift in the family environment and the other factors that come along with divorce are making an impact on the children. It is widely acknowledged that going through a divorce has an effect on children's mental health, leading to emergence of behavioral issues, a poor sense of oneself, social issues, and problems with parent-child relationships. Accordingly, changing family structure is affecting members of the household, especially children, as well as society at large.
Statement of the draft. This study determined the impact of parental separation on students' well-being during the first semester of the school year 2023-2024. It specifically aimed to provide answer to the following questions. What is the impact of parental separation on the well-being of the student in terms of mental, emotional, social, and financial? Is there a significant difference in the impact of parental separation on the well-being of the students according to profile, sex, ethnicity, family economic status? What is the impact and life experiences of students during the parent separation?
Research methodologies. This chapter emphasizes the method and procedures used to conduct the study. It provides a brief description of the research design, research locale, population and sampling design, validity of the research instrument, data gathering tools, ethical considerations, data gathering procedure, and statistical treatment used. Qualitative research offers deeper insights, perspective, and experiences of students during parent separations. Furthermore, phenomenological research is defined as a true exploration of what experiences mean to humans. It is a fundamental goal. It is to investigate the commonplace human experiences in order to understand how people understand their world and how they interpret most of their other people's experiences. Using phenomenological research, a phenomenalist is examined from the closest witness of the problem's experiences.
Research locale. This study was conducted at Zamboanga City Senior High School, specifically in Maliwasan Senior High School, San Juan. The respondents are selected students from different strands: youth, ABM, STEM, GAS, and DBM. Classes in the specific school, the participating school is identified according to the number of population.
And sampling design. The respondents were the students of Maliwasan Senior High School standalone. The profile of the respondents are in terms of sex, ethnicity, and family's economic status. There is one identified school which participated in this study, namely Maliwasan Senior High School standalone. Purposive sampling and contact sampling are the convenient sampling techniques used to identify the needed sampling population for the study, in which purposive sampling is a non-random sampling strategy in which researchers specifically choose individuals or group with characteristics that are important in this study. Using this approach, researchers are able to identify and target specific situations or detailed sources that support their purposes.
Following procedures. The researchers sought permission from the principal to carry out the study. Data collection will start after the research proposal was approved. The approved letter is presented to the school principal of the school of the students who experience parent separation. The researcher also made an arrangement such as scheduling and identifying the students who were involved in the data gathering. The researcher presented a letter to the respondents and explained the real intent of the activity.
Statistical treatment. To facilitate the analysis
analysis of data, the following statistical measures were used. One-way analysis of variance or ANOVA. This was utilized to determine the significant difference on the well-being of the students during parent separation when they were grouped according to ethnicity and family economic status. T-test. This was utilized to determine the significant difference in the well-being of the students during parent separation when they are grouped according to size. Weighted average mean. This was employed to determine the impact of parental separation on students' well-being.
Chapter 4, Results and Discussions. This chapter deals with the presentation of results and discussions of the data gathered based on the research problem and hypothesis posited for this study. The presentation of data is in order, arranged to the statements of the problem. What is the impact of parental separation to you? Most of the participants in this study reported that financially and academically unstable was noted as the number one impact of parental separation. Financially and academically unstable are the common challenges that were faced by the student during parental separation. Some students are affected by the family status, whether both parents or either of the parents are able to provide for their needs. Thus, it also affects their focus academically that are sometimes resulted to poor academic performance. Conclusion and recommendation. This chapter represents the conclusion and recommendation based on the finding of the study. The impact of parental separation is stated predominantly to the financially and academically unstable, followed by the feelings of sadness, anxiety, and stress, lose trust toward others, child-parents relationship, traumatic experience, and difficulty in coping up. Responding to the impact of parental separation on the students' well-being, students came up with responses which include the financial constraint, followed by the emotionally and mentally unstable, struggling to interact, others' difficulty in focusing and struggling to cope with separation. Mostly of the respondents are particularly responsible that separated parents affect their self-esteem. Financial security is also affecting their educational needs. They have also indicated that they have had a hard time coping with the situation, which also contribute their difficulties in expressing their emotion. There are also students who are not able to adapt coping mechanism to lessen the impact of parent separation emotionally, thus it also causes negative outcomes, especially the relationship toward others.
Others, parental separation affect their well-being. Most of the participants in this study reported that financial constraint and emotionally and mentally unstable were noted as the number one impact of students' well-being that were encountered during the parental separation. The agreement of both parents in essentially providing for the needs of their children and legal process is one of the best ways to lessen the burden caused by separation. Coping mechanism and emotional support from both parents are significant in lessening the emotional and mental impact on the children. They will be able to understand the situation in the family.
Recommendation. The researcher made the following recommendation which are relating to the results and conclusion on this research. DepEd official may look into the study's finding to craft a reservation program for students to address the school challenge and difficulties faced during parent separation. School heads, with the help of school principal in coordination with the subject group heads, may support the programs crafted by the official on how to create possible ways for students to cope up with parent separation.
Guidance coordinators. A guidance coordinator to be found in a monitoring program in terms of providing the students of broken families assistance in addressing personal challenges and guidance to help students cope with parent separations. Parents. The parents are encouraged to recognize that it is an impact of the separation of parents to their children's well-being, to acknowledge their children in bearing that change leading to separation, to assist and provide their children support to understand the situation by strengthening their emotional and moral support. Their children to maintain the children focus on their academic performance in all subject areas, and also setting agreement between procedural and non-procedural parents to maintain the availability of resources and be able to provide the needs of the
Data that are recipients of the programs crafted by the school in relation to the parental separation will need to strengthen their efforts, patience, and understanding to meet the coping mechanism they needed for their situation. They also need to get in touch with their custodial parent to monitor their well-being. Other researchers are encouraged to conduct a study similar to this using additional or different variables.